What is up, guys? My name is Brandon Robles, and today I am sitting behind a bunch of books. I just did another bulk deal with another estate sale company. They were really great. We got a ton of stuff. So I paid $500 for I don't even know how many books, but this entire car is filled all the way to the front seat. So we spent $500 for all these books. I filled my entire car up, including the front seat. We filled the truck up as well, the back bed, and the back seat of that, and this passenger seat. So there's a ton of books. So off the bat, as soon as I walked in the house, I found 3 books, and they were Easton Press, which is obviously a huge score. 2 of them were Gone with the Wind. It was a set. And the other book was Robin Hood, Easton Press. Didn't look that one up. I just kind of said Easton Press, good to go. So they were great condition books. While we were packing them up, I found Ansel Adams. It was a signed edition. I think it goes for $80 alone. So that's good. I don't know anything that's in here besides they're good condition. There's novels, Civil Wars, which I saw that was great, architecture, and some art. So I was really excited for it. So I'm gonna start getting through them. See, I mean, even on the top right here, custom photographs. I don't know if it's worth anything, but Civil War nonetheless. So big deal. We found some books from the 1868 and 1858. There's 3 of those, and there could be more mixed in here. Towards the end, I was just loading them up, man. I was just like, let's get out of here. I am too tired for this. As I process them and go through them, I'll show you guys some sold comms to just show you what kind of books I'm dealing with. Hopefully a bunch of FBA here just to try to get them out. But I'm sure there's a lot of eBay-worthy stuff here. So just a recap. I spent $500. It took me about 3 to 4 hours to package up all the books into boxes into the cars. It'll probably take me, I don't know, in hours wise, it'll take me a couple days to go through them, check them on eBay, check them on Amazon, make sure there's no signs. I already found one, like I said. So I'm guessing roughly this could be on the low, like $2,000 to $3,000 profit. I don't know, just because there could be signed stuff or maybe more Easton Press that I just brushed over and didn't see. Great deal as far as I'm concerned. The 3 books that I think I'm gonna make my money back off the bat. All right, guys, so we are going through the books, and so far we did really well. We have an entire pile here for FBA. This is another pile for FBA as well, and these are like $30 books. And I mean, they're in fantastic condition, which I was really excited for. And then we have these 2 piles, which are for eBay. I have a World War I 1920 book about World War I. And it's a little set, and I saw it go for a bid on eBay for like 120. I may be able to get a little more, but there are none listed, so that's really exciting. So we have the rest of this truck right here, the back of it, and then still my entire car filled. So really excited. So I'm expecting a lot more profit than I thought. I didn't expect to nearly get this much FBA for the books I've gone through. There was a lot of barcodes, which I was a little excited for, to be able to process faster. But sure enough, there are definitely some other antiques as well. A lot more profit from FBA than I thought. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below with any questions you may have, or DM me at the Brandon Robles on Instagram. If you guys look hard enough, you'll find treasures. And remember, guys, stay hustling.